Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Profit maximization in labor markets is actually super easy to solve if you follow these simple steps. Let's find the perfect number of workers together. To maximize profit, a firm hires until the marginal revenue product equals the wage. Since shirts sell for $10, we multiply the marginal product of each worker by that price. For the fourth worker, the marginal product is 10 shirts. Multiplying 10 shirts by the $10 price gives us a marginal revenue product of exactly $100. This matches wage. The fifth worker adds 5 shirts with $50, which is less than the wage. Therefore, hiring 4 workers is most profitable. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, trust given values, and check steps for option D.